here we are at Spahrs on, I guess, 90. Oh, Pelican. Yeah, I got this one on the pole. Just trying to get that radio tower out the background. There we go.
To me, I thought
that's one of them buzzards.
That it was an eagle, and then I looked. It looks like
oh, that other thing. I don't know what that is. That's one of them snake birds, I think.
Oh,
one's a snake bird. One's a
birds.
Huh?
You guys are looking at different birds.
I was looking at the small one up here.
When's your old lady gonna make you the hat?
Which hat?
To match your thing here, your hood. Huh?
That's an eagle? It looks like one of them buzzards.
I thought
I saw a whole bunch of them on the way here.
No, it's an, you're right. It's an eagle. That cruiser. Wow.
Yeah, that's why I thought it was an eagle.
You ought to get it with that telescope.
Yeah.
Huh?
I was not expecting
You ought to
that
get it
on
with
me,
your
though.
telescope.
Yeah. I can see that it's a headless horseman, so to speak.
Red-winged
But as
blackbird.
soon as I see something and it doesn't look like it really has a head, then I know right away that it's.
Well,
that's how I identify
The
them.
buzzards hardly flap, so I knew that one was a buzzard, but that one was flapping.
Yeah. Yeah, they had some one on the side of the road on the way here. I mean, he was just sitting right on the side of the road.
I can't believe how quick we got down here from New Orleans. I mean, I know it took you guys
It's only an hour for me.
a while longer. And being Captain Billy's marina that we got to meet him at was an hour and 7 minutes from my house. We're like only a half an hour from the marina, right? Something like that, maybe.
Maybe 45 minutes. But we can go there early because there's stuff to get pictures of right around there. It's right on the canal.
There's two of them in the tree right there.
Fly into that canal. I've gotten pictures waiting on him to show up.
Yeah. How long do you think the tour is?
The tour? It's 4.5 hours.
4.5?
4.5 hours? Wow.
It goes to dusk.
Wow, cool.
Yeah, he wants you to get some sunset pictures.
I brought a P530 as well, so I can get like some landscape shots. It's a little 18 megapixel bridge camera.
Well,
But it does a decent job for what it is.
Hopefully.
Those little buggers are fast.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're hard to get. Geez.
Here's a snowy.
Yeah. See where he is. He's gonna land on that log, on that crossbar over there.
That's a nice shot.
Yeah, that's where it was at a while ago when I got it. You can walk down to the end and probably won't fly. They're pretty easy.
Get the breeding plumage too. It's always nice when the wind blows them out a little bit.
Exactly.
Blowing the colors out.
Yeah, we
on
never
it.
did make it to that Kazan or whatever it's called lake, did we?
No.
Are the spoonies still on the nest over there?
Well, they're just starting. So yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the great one. What you got there?
Yeah, it looks like it.
I don't think so. I don't know. It's got a different head.
Great
It's
white.
probably a buzzard, but
Might be an osprey, huh? That's like a one of them vultures or
Yeah,
buzzards.
it's a black vulture.
they remind me of medieval knights. If you look at one up close, they look like they got chainmail on. Bless you, my son. So how's the family doing this morning, Kirk?
Good. My back's killing me. I forgot to bring one of my. I gotta take a prednisone after lunch, and I forgot to bring it. But oh well. Yeah, it's like a pinched
What I
nerve.
can do for you, my friend?
All good.
Just let me know, Ethan. I'm
I had
looking for
my
that nut
seat heater on in my truck. It kind of helps a little
Yeah,
bit. It's
those
like a
things
heating
are-
pad.
kick. Those things are miracles. I love those seat heaters.
Probably got some good fishing back here.
It's flowing slow. That was the wind. Had a hard time getting. Look, he's almost stopped in the air up there now.
I know.
Yeah, there's lots of birds flying now.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. All of a sudden, there'll be 50 of them up in the air. It's crazy. Same spot. He's gonna go back to where he started. All that just to come back.
Well, I think the bird knows we're all trying to take pictures of it, so he's just trying to give us some good
Yeah.
shots. That's all. They do that sometimes, you know.
Yeah, they do. Especially at Tom's house.
Yeah.
Tom pays them very well in bird food.
Oh, I'm sure.
You got any hummingbird feeders out?
Yeah,
Water
I just put some the new one I bought, but it ain't bright enough red, so we put a red ribbon around it. Hopefully, because it's just like brown copper looking metal, and it's got these like little dark red looking flowers. I didn't think it was flashy enough, so I was like, "You got any red ribbon?" She's like, "I got some outdoor red."